All right, what's up guys? It's Matt's Boosty here with another video, man. I've had a lot of you guys ask, man, we've seen a lot of videos on the Corvette C6. We want to see some ride-along videos in the C6, so we're going to do that today. And it's not only going to be me, because you hear my opinion all the time. We've got a passenger, Mimi, she's coming along, so we're going to get her feedback. We're going to see what she thinks. Let's hop in this bad boy. Let's see how it goes. All right, guys, we're in the twin-turbo Corvette. We're going to give it a couple of rips, have some fun. That's just a fourth gear pull, so yeah, that's just a little taste. Just a little taste.
Oh my god, I'm so excited to see more.
See, it's not too bad though. It's not crazy, right? The turbos, I mean, they just slowly, like, you know, you can hear them just pick up. It's fun. That's my favorite part about turbos. Like, I was kind of hoping too, I'm not gonna lie, that like when we're out doing this, we would find a car to race or something. Like somebody would just like come up, like that would be perfect timing, you know?
Oh yeah, that would be great. Honestly, I haven't been in like that many like fast cars. I would say, like, I've just been in cars where people drive fast, but not necessarily fast cars.
Right,
you know?
right.
I would say probably the fastest would have to be the Tesla Plaid.
Oh yeah, that's a fast car.
Yeah,
Absolutely.
it's really fast.
That's a guy on YouTube that took a Tesla Plaid and switched the body to a Honda Odyssey minivan. So it's a Tesla Plaid body and carbon, a Honda Odyssey minivan.
Oh my
It is
God.
the ultimate sleeper. The ultimate sleeper.
My God.
It's the fastest Plaid in the world.
That is literally so insane. I have to see that.
The Honda Odyssey van has the same chassis size as a Tesla Plaid somehow. Like, they fit perfect. Like, it's crazy. Yeah. So it's called the Platycee is what he calls it.
The Platycee.
Yeah, boosted boys.
Oh my god, I absolutely love that.
All right, guys, that was a lot of fun. So we did a couple pulls. Mimi, what'd you think? Did you have a good time?
It was great. I had an amazing time. Oh my gosh.
Awesome. Well, you did awesome. I had a good time. I appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you like, subscribe. We got more twin turbo Corvette videos in the way. We'll see you guys on the next one.